Hey, this is your favorite tech, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to tell you how to troubleshoot if your Wi-Fi internet keep disconnecting. This particularly talks about Wi-Fi for laptops, tablets, and handheld devices, but also can apply to your desktop computer. So what we're going to do is go to the start menu and type in Control Panel and click on Control. We want to make sure you have it viewed by category. We're going to click on Network and Internet. Then we're going to go to View Network Status and Tasks. And then on the left-hand panel, we're going to click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, if you have more than one internet connection or neighbor connections showing up, especially Wi-Fi, then you want to identify what your internet is. It should be fairly obvious. Another way to be sure that it's your correct connection, you could actually go to the bottom. Usually it'll be a Wi-Fi sign. If you're using internet, I'm using a LAN. You can just kind of click on it once and it'll show that my name is Network 3. You can see right here that it says Network 3. So what I want you to do is right click on that, go to Properties, then you're going to click on Configure, and then you're going to click on Power Management, and you're going to basically turn that off. And what that does is allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Currently I have it on. You want to turn that off, especially if you're using a laptop, and that could be potentially one reason why your internet keep disconnecting. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.